How to view and delete all your pokes on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar on top of your screen and in the search bar search for pokes and then tap on the pokes option you see there. Further, tap on Pokes option again and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the friends who poked you or the friends that you have poked. So, beside the friends who poked you tab, select the See All option and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the friends who has poked you. So, tap on the Dismiss option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Select All option you see there if you want to delete all your pokes. Once all has been selected, tap on the Dismiss option on the bottom of your screen and when prompted, tap on Dismiss All and with this, all your pokes will be deleted. So, this is how you can view and delete all your pokes on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.